Imagine a world where machines are not just tools, but artists, musicians, and game developers. Welcome to the future, the year 2024, where AI has blurred the boundaries between reality and virtuality. The latest happenings highlight a significant jump in AI technology. OpenAI, an artificial intelligence lab, has extended its reach to Japan, the land of the rising sun. This extension depicts a remarkable stride in the global exposure of AI technology, drawing advanced AI research and development closer to Asia's heart. Meanwhile, the world video production witnesses a revolution. Adobe, a familiar name in digital media software, has introduced its newest exploration into AI's domain. Adobe's generative video technology is poised to alter the playing field, facilitating the creation of intricate, high-quality video content with AI assistance. This innovation is set to revise the way we perceive and generate visual media. However, progress doesn't halt here. Video diffusion models, a pioneering domain in AI technology, are reforming the video generation landscape. This technology enables the formation of detailed and lifelike video content produced entirely by AI. This is just the beginning of a revolution in media consumption and creation, all thanks to the advancements in AI technology. Meet Jonathan Dorr, a visionary music video director from Germany and the CEO of Dorr Brothers, who is making a splash in the world of AI-generated content. Dorr employed generative AI to design a fan trailer for Grand Theft Auto 7 set in Egypt, demonstrating the vast potential of AI-generated content. His journey with AI, which began in 2022, has opened up new avenues for creative expression and attracted a diverse range of clients. As we dive into the future, the rapid evolution of AI technology is not just reshaping, but revolutionizing the landscape of media and communication. From OpenAI's expansion to Japan, Adobe's generative video technology, to the advent of video diffusion models, these advancements are transforming the way we conceive and produce visual media. The line between the virtual and the real is becoming increasingly indistinct, and it's thrilling to ponder what's around the corner. Keep your minds open as we witness the unfolding of this digital revolution. The future is here, and it's more exciting than we could have ever imagined.